With the amount of budgeting apps available on the market today, it is crazy to try and figure out which one to actually use. Today, we're going to feature the top 5 budgeting apps that we've set our eyes on, and we're going to share with you all of their details. So let's have a look. EveryDollar. EveryDollar is designed with simplicity in mind, making budgeting easy for anyone. One of its standout features is the zero-based budgeting approach, which encourages you as the user to allocate every single dollar that you earn to specific expenses or even savings. Additionally, the app offers a user-friendly interface, enabling you to create and track your budget effortlessly from your smartphone anywhere in the world. Rocket Money. Rocket Money shines with its powerful subscription tracking capability, allowing you as the user to monitor recurring payments and easily cancel unwanted subscriptions. Another unique feature is its smart budgeting tool, which automatically categorizes spending based on past behaviors. Rocket Money also provides personalized insights, helping you identify your spending trends and areas where you can make improvements. Goodbudget. Goodbudget employs the envelope budgeting method, allowing you as the user to allocate funds for different spending categories visually. One of its key features is the ability to sync across multiple devices, making it easy for families or partners to manage shared budgets. Additionally, Goodbudget offers robust reporting tools, providing valuable insights into spending patterns over time. Monarch Money. Monarch Money offers a holistic view of your financial life by integrating budgeting with investment tracking. A standout feature is its collaborative budgeting capability, allowing family members to contribute and set financial goals together. Furthermore, Monarch Money provides customizable reports, giving you a clear view of your progress and helping you adjust your budget as you need. YNAB, or better known as You Need a Budget. YNAB is centered on proactive budgeting, encouraging users to plan how they'll spend their money before it's actually spent. One of its unique features is the 4 rules approach, which helps you gain control over your cash flow. Additionally, YNAB provides extensive educational resources, empowering you as the user to improve your budgeting skills and your financial literacy. And there you go, the top 5 best tests. The takeaway here is to go and explore on your own and figure out what works for you personally. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like and share it with a friend. We'll see you next time.